Good morning, dear student. Today I am going to teach about file management system. What is file and folder? Now, information technology, part 26, class 9, unit 2, chapter is file management. File management. Now, what is file management? A computer hard disk hold such a large amount of data or information that finding some specific information may prove to be difficult. A computer hard disk hold such large amount of data. That means a computer hard disk hold a lots of our data or information that finding some specific information may prove to be difficult, and which we want to find some information, it is difficult to find any data and any information. Now, it is therefore important that the data is stored on a computer in a well organized way. Therefore, that means it is therefore important that the data is stored on a computer. The data is stored on a computer in a well organized way. In organized way, we can store a lots of file and folder and the data in our hard disks. Computer use file and folder to organize their file. Computer use file or folder to organize their file in our hard disk. A computer use file or folder to organize their file in hard disk in organized manner, in organized way. This is our file management. We manage in our hard disk of our information and data stored in our computer's hard disk. And now, what is file? We everything store our information as a file and we give the name of file. Now, what is file? What is our file? A file is thus a collection of related data that is stored together. A file is thus a collection of related data that is stored together. That means a file is the collection of information which is stored in our file, and file is stored in our hard disk, computer's hard disk. This is our file. An application or a program may have one or more file. An application or a program may have one or more file. There are various type of file like text, image, audio, video, and application file. An application and program may have one or more file. There are different types of file and files, such like text file, image file, audio file, video file, and application files. We can store our data in file. There are different types of file: video file, image file, audio file, text file, etc., etc. We can store our data in file. The files which contain instruction for the computer or are called system file. The files which contain instruction for the computer are called system file. That means, what is system file? Computers, the files which contain information for the computer. For the computer, information stored for the computer are called system files. This is our file system. This is our file. This is our file management system. And now we discuss next topic.
Start.
Now, our next topic is folder. What is folder? Now, a folder is like a container that is used to store files. A folder is like a container that is used to store files. In file, there are different types of data stored. Folder is like a container that is used to store files. Folders keep file organized by grouping them together. Folders keep files organized by grouping them together. Folder keep files organized way by grouping them together. There are different files grouped and stored in the folder. All the files related to an application are used together in a common folder. All the files related and an application are stored together in a common folder. That means one folder. In addition to containing files or folder may have one or more subfolder. In addition to containing files, a folder may have one or more subfolder. That means folder within folder is called subfolder. That means folder within a folder is called subfolder. This is subfolder. That means this is the folder. Folder is that place where we can keep different types of files and also folder in our folder. A folder within folder is called subfolder. Now, naming files and folders. That means we give the name of our file and folders. Now, each file and folder in the computer is given a name. Each file and folder in the computer is given a name. This makes finding a specific file or folder easy. That means we give the name of our file and folder. That is, this make finding a specific file or folder easy. We can find very easily any file and folders. The file name has an extension depending on the type of file. File name has an extension. Every file has an extension depending on the type of files. Now, file naming convention. There are different types of the file naming convention. A file name cannot have more than 225, that means 225 characters. A file name cannot have more than, that means cannot more than 225 characters of our file name. And we can also cannot give comma quotation in the file name, and also cannot separate the dot full stop of our file name. This is the file name. This is our naming file and folder and subfolder. Now, dear student, if you have any types of problem in this topic, you can call this number. Now, thank you.